Hello everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce app. It's called eo.com 20 plus AI chat models. So like you'll get all the updated AI models in this application. So you can get this app from Google Play Store and App Store. If you look at the statistics of this app, then you can see here 4.6 ratings out of 5, 10k reviews, 9.5 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million plus people already download this app. So there are a lot of people give the good ratings. If you want to learn more about this app, you can check the ratings, then you can get here before installing your app, and also negative ratings here. So if you want to see the here you can see access the latest AI models. So like if you want to see here the updated models here, and also news. So solve your hardest problem through this app, create a stunning image, all everything is available here, research paper, and you simply tap on the install button and it takes few time to install in your device. So today is normal, see you in the next video.